So doctors believe the patients are paying too much.
These were family practitioners in Vermont, and they say that basically 50% of them said that way too much is being ordered, and they blame insurance because insurance covers too much. And as I said to you, Charles, I consider it more of an indemnity. It covers everything. Even Ellis's second favorite paper, the New York Times, reports today that it could be in anticipation of Obamacare coming in.
I'm thrilled that we're focusing on the role insurance companies pay in this, because I really do think they suck a lot of bucks out of the system.
But why did we extend?
Well, you know, I agree. I like to squeeze them instead of extending them. But one of the focuses that I see in what you're talking about is the need for primary care medicine, doctors treating families on basic stuff.
You know, I agree with that, Ellis. You and I are agreeing more and more, but I would have liked that point to be covered before we passed Obamacare, because you know something? In 1998, the Balanced Budget Act limited the amount that the government paid for Medicare positions in residencies, and we've had a doctor shortage ever since. We have a nurse practitioner shortage still. If we don't get the horses to pull this cart, how can we add 32 million more
Aren't
people?
we better, instead of spending $1 million on some high-tech test and seriously spread that around and actually cure some people, keep them healthier? Isn't that better?